This is a walkthrough of how to set up an E550 VFD. E550, it's a 4.5 kilowatt. Always double check your hertz of your spindle. It's right there. I'm using 300 hertz. This VFD goes up to 1,000 hertz, so just be careful on that. When you first power this up with 220, obviously, you're going to most likely run into an error code called Fu.13. I'll show you here. I'll just turn it all the way up. It'll blink. The spindle will stop spinning. And that is because you need to put in these settings. The settings that make that Fu.13 is the F004, 0.12, and 1.04. I think from the factory they come set at 50. So I'll walk through with you on here. All right, see if I can do this. 00 should be 3 because you want to use the knob. Oh, hold on. 00 set. It's 3. Set again to go back to menu. F002 should be 1,000. If you want to use the knob, it's 1,000. Okay. F04. Here it is. 50. This is the error code that you're getting. Documentation says 400 or up to 1,000. This is depending entirely on your spindle. Like I said, mine is 300. So this arrow moves the decimal point. Okay, 300 set. F004. We'll just go down the list here. F005 is F005. This is your acceleration. F05 and 06 is your acceleration and deacceleration. This is going to be totally up to you. We'll just go with 10 because it says so. I'm probably going to bump mine up to 5 or 6 in the future. Alright, F005 is 10. F006, let's bring down to 10. Set. 0.11. 0.11. I don't remember what 0.11 is. Mine didn't actually come with a manual. They used to, but not anymore. Alright. 0.11 is 0. 0.12. Again. These three values, 04, 0.12, and 0.04, or 1.04, should all be the same value. Since mine is 300, we're going to set it to 300. Set. 0.13 is 220, that's your voltage. I don't think you can make that 110. Not with this one. 1 is 0. Again, don't remember what it means. 1.01 is 10 volts. So This depends on if you're using your relay and 0 to 10 volt potentiometer to use through Mach 3. Sometimes it's 10 volts, sometimes it's 5. We don't touch that right now. Alright. 103 is 0. Don't know why, again. Alright. 104 shows 50, but it should be 300. Down. Okay. Alright. 1.08. 1.14. 1.08 is 11. 1.14 is 8. That really depends on what you have hooked up under here. As I said, I'm not doing that yet. Anyway, escape. Let me focus. Hit run. Now it's doing its thing. Probably hear it. So if you're getting that FU, what was it? Fu.13, your hertz setting is off, or not off, but you get it. Is not set correctly. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. I can try and help, or I can get someone else to help you if I don't know it. Take care.